Chinese electric bus makers plan to enter Indian market. Chinese electric bus manufacturers are exploring opportunities to start operations in India and have held initial discussions with the Automotive Component Manufacturers Association, ACMA, and the Society of Manufacturers of Electric Vehicles, SMEV, 3 people aware of the development told Mint. Some of the firms have manufacturing capacity of 10,000 electric buses in China and have the lithium-ion battery technology. Indian auto industry can learn and understand such technologies through tie-ups with such Chinese companies. Amazon has launched a checkout-free high grocery store called Amazon Go in Seattle, US. It uses ceiling-mounted cameras to identify each customer and track what items they select, eliminating the need for billing. The sensors detect when products are taken from shelves and maintain a virtual cart. The purchases are billed to customers' credit cards when they leave the store. The store hours of 7 a.m. 9 p.m., Monday Friday fall short of the typical 7-Eleven and other convenience stores' 24/7 store experience. Vodafone has inked an exclusive partnership with Flipkart, wherein its customers can get entry-level smartphones for $999. As a part of this partnership, Vodafone has rolled out cashback offers on the select range of entry-level 4G smartphone models available under Flipkart's Number My First 4G smartphone campaign. These phones will be from several brands including Micromax, Ivomi, Colo, Intex, Swipe, and Alcatel. Customers will only have to recharge at least Rs 150 per month for 36 months. At the end of 18 months, customers will get cash back of Rs 900 and after another 18 months, a cash back of Rs 1100 respectively. So, today cash back of Rs 2000 will be given. This cash back will be credited to Vodafone M-Pesa wallets. Last October, Google unveiled a new camera, Clips, a small device that uses artificial intelligence to take the right picture when it sees something interesting. The company hasn't said much about the device, but it quietly began selling it today. The camera costs $249 and comes with free shipping, but at this point, Google appears to have stopped taking orders for the device. It's directing potential customers to jump on a wait list, and will email them a notification when the device is available. The Google Clips camera has a 12MP sensor and a 130-degree field of view lens. The photos it can take are done at 15 frames per second and stored onto the 16 GB of internal storage it has built in.